My name's Kuehn, and I started my own law practice about 4 months ago. And what I do is I provide a bunch of services, legal services for small to medium-sized businesses. And a big part of my clientele is entrepreneurs. And a reason why I like providing services for entrepreneurs is because they're fresh, they're always doing something new, trying to make something better, improve something in society. They have an idea and they want to make things better, and I want to help them do that without them worrying about all the legal minefields that they might have to step through. Intellectual property, that's my passion when it comes to law, mainly copyrights and trademarks. And if one of my clients or anybody out there has created something, whether it's music, art, a movie, a logo to help their marketing, I want to help them protect that. I find that I take a lot more time than other attorneys do in getting to know their clients and getting to know their clients' problems outside of their legal problems. If you solve a legal problem just on its own, it doesn't do much if you solve the legal problem and they burn a relationship with a family member, or they burn a relationship with their business partner. So I take a holistic approach. I find out all of their needs. I quite enjoy getting to know and understand my clients from a personal level, rather than just a client where they come in, I take their money and push them out to the curb. Law and medicine are kind of similar fields in that if you invest some money up front, you get a vaccine that saves you down the line from having to end up in an ER or ending up with a serious disease that'll cost you a lot of money. And I take the same approach with law, where if you invest a little money up front, you get your business entity set up correctly, you get your employee contracts properly set up, you can avoid a lot of more expensive problems later. My biggest mistake up until this point is thinking that I could do everything. And what I mean is I started off my own practice. I think there's a natural tendency for small business owners to think that they can do everything, and they're very scared and they want to hold their business tight to themselves and not let anything go. They want to do their bookkeeping themselves. They want to do their branding. They want to do their logos themselves. They want to come up with a name for their company on their own. And I'm a victim of that too. I spent a lot of sleepless nights worrying about things that aren't my specialty, when I really should have just focused on doing the law part and, essentially spending money to have other people take care of the things that were just a drain on my time and a draining me away from doing the actual legal work. Just having good people to work with as I build my own practice. I want to make sure that the clients not only have a good experience interacting with me, but also with my receptionist, with any assistants I have, with my paralegals. It's a group effort and it's not all about me, so I need to make sure that the people that work with me will give the same style of legal work and the same effective legal work that I'll provide my clients personally. A lesson I learned that was the most surprising to me is the fact that starting my own law practice didn't mean that most of my work was doing actual legal work. I'd say just as time-consuming and just as necessary as doing the legal work is bringing in the business. If I don't bring any business, I'm not making any money. I don't have enough money to pay my interns and in the future to pay my staff or other attorneys. So it's surprisingly and interesting how much of running your own practice is spending the time to bring the business in. It's something that you don't really learn in law school, something that you might not learn working at another company. Well, when you work for yourself, you got to bring in the business yourself, and you can't pay anyone else to do that.